Well, greetings, BCOT247 students. This is Mr.D, and this is week number 12 in our 15-week course here in business communications at Cerritos College. So we only have a few more weeks to go. And this week we're going to be looking at interviewing and following up. So you're going to talk about how to answer interview questions, what kind of questions might you be asked, and then, of course, writing a thank you letter to all the people that may have interviewed you. So it's a really valuable chapter and a valuable lesson for you to look at. I applied everything from this chapter in the interviews that I did over the last few years, and it proved to be very helpful and I think helped me get the job. So that's what we'll be looking at this week. And of course, we're right in the midst of starting all of our mock interviews for the course. So that's pretty exciting. So I want to show you that here in just a minute, but I'm going to start by unsharing that screen and sharing the course page in Canvas. So here we are. You should be seeing the home page in Canvas. And of course, we're in module number 3. So I'm going to select that. And then I'm going to scroll down here. And here is week number 12. So we're going to be doing a check-in assignment on chapter 14. We're going to be also taking a quiz on chapter 14. And then there is your 6th and final writing assignment, which is your resume. And so make sure that you get your resume done, because it's going to become valuable if you choose to be interviewed during the mock interviews. But I went ahead and moved your discussion post number 3 down as well. And this is what you really need to be doing first, if you've not done it yet, is to make sure that you've done your job search, because based off of your job search in this discussion post will be your what you will write your resume on. And so please do that assignment first. And then once you've completed that, you're going to pick one of the jobs that you had, and you're going to write your resume for that job that you found. So please do that right away if you've not done that yet. And that'll be very helpful when it comes to doing the mock interviews. So I'm going to go ahead and come back to modules. I'm going to scroll down here to week number 12. So again, I'm going to move this mock interview explanation down. If you're not sure what we're talking about, you can read this explanation. And in this explanation is also a video right here of me going over this assignment in great detail. Just click that link and it'll open up a video. And the whole goal here is that you're going to be either interviewed or interview somebody else. So you get to choose. And if you notice, if you scroll down to next week, I have 2 dates already set up. I have next Monday and next Thursday. Those are the first 2 dates and times. And then I have 3 more. 2 of them are scheduled for the following week. So we have 5 altogether that you can choose from. I might have to do a catch up, but keep in mind that this is the last week of class. So there's only 1 more week after next week that we'll be able to do it. And that's finals week. So I don't want to do any mock interviews there. Worst case scenario is I'm using this Saturday here as a catch up, but it's not actually scheduled yet. So in fact, I should probably turn that off. It won't let me. So that means students have already signed up. So I will check the date on that and get it fixed. And but please make sure you sign up for one of these 4 dates that remain, or 5 dates that remain. So that way we can, you can get this done. This is a high point assignment, as I mentioned, and it's worth 20% of your grade. So please don't neglect it. Please do it. And if you don't want to do it and you choose to do the alternative assignment, it's right here. So you can just do that. I put 0 points because I'm going to take the points that you earned for this and put it in your mock interview slot. That way I don't have to make a separate category. But all the instructions for this assignment are here if you choose not to do the mock interview. Now, I'm just going to tell you right now, the mock interview is way better. It's way easier. It's also more valuable, I think, at the end of the day than doing the proposal. So please, please, please try and participate in one of the interviews. And if for some reason you can't, you do have this option as an alternative assignment. So again, just to recap what to cover this week is to do the check-in assignment, do the resume, do the quiz, and then sign up for your mock interview. And if you've not done the discussion post yet, also make sure you get that done. All right, well, that's pretty much it for this week, week number 12. We have a few weeks to go, so hang in there, keep up the good work. If you need to get a hold of me, please reach out to me. We can set up a Zoom, or we can handle it via email or text. All right, have a great week. See you next week, or else you'll see me next week.